Today I am just giving you the introduction or a simple program about JavaScript. So in JavaScript also we will have every program will have two part, that is head and body. Okay, but most of here we have to concentrate on the head part because JavaScript is belongs to Java. So in JavaScript we have to create a function, students, with the keyword function, and name of the function you can give anything, that is I am giving here so. Okay, just like JavaScript program also has a curly bracket, starts with a curly bracket and ends with a curly bracket. Fine, whatever the coding you know need to write, you have to write within this so function or within this curly braces, students. Now the question is, what is the statement or how we can print a statement on JavaScript? In Java it was system.out.println. In JavaScript we can use document.write. So check, it is very case sensitive, students. JavaScript is very much case sensitive. At first you understand, then tomorrow I will send you the theory for this. I will give you the definition and all. So within this I am writing, this is my first program. This is my first program. Okay, ending the quote and putting the bracket I am ending, as well as putting a semicolon. Understood, students? So after this, now what we have to do? How can we run this function? How can we run this function? So body part, in body part, we have to keep a form. We have to keep a form. The form part we learn now, students. That form we need to specify, because until unless we click on any button and all, it won't work. So we have to specify the form as form equal to form name equal to f1, as we learned last time the form. Then end the form tag also as it is a pair tag. So I am ending here the form tag. You all of you see carefully. Okay, inside the form tag, now the question is how that function will run, how this function so will run. So what we have to do here, now we have to write the input function, students. Input, for taking a text box, what we used to do, input type what. Now suppose only one button I want to keep, so input type equal to button, sorry, input type equal to button. It means I want to bring a button, and name of that button is b1, so name equal to b1. So till this there is nothing, no importance thing we wrote. But now, students, we have to give here value. Value is what? Now what will appear on the button? Suppose I want to write here display. Okay, so I want to make here display. So clicking on the button caption will be display. It means on the top of button the display will appear, like OK, cancel, save used to appear. The same way display will appear. Now the most important thing is what? You have to give the function name here, students, that is on click. On click is what? Now when you click on the button, what it will do? What it will do? Now it will go to the show function. It will go to the show function. See how it's supposed to be written. Then you just end the bracket. Understood? Input type button name equal to b1, value display, on click show. So it means the button which will appear on the form, when you click on it, it will go to the show function, and show function already we wrote in the head section. Fine, let's try this much first, how it is working or whether it is working or not. Let's check. Running the program, button is appearing. No, there is some problem, it is showing. Pressing on the display button, it is not working. Let's see now what the mistake we did here is. The function name is okay, function function, function, everything is okay. Body HTML function function, function, so everything is written correctly. but it is not showing students.
Column width means the first term you remember. Changing column width means changing the
And it has
width
to
of
be
a
written
cell.
within the head
Yes.
section as
Changing
I
the
wrote it
width of a
inside the
cell
head
means
section.
we can specify the measurement in the form of points or number of characters.
Document
Number of characters
right.
means maximum 8 characters or at least
Okay,
8
let give it
characters you can
comment line,
insert in a
students.
cell.
Let me give the
Or
comment line,
the
then I
size
will
we
show
will
you.
specify in points is 12.75. Remember the column size will be
Putting comment line also, it is
12.75.
not
How much?
working. Oh,
12.75.
one main thing I forget to write, students. Sorry, extremely
How many
sorry.
characters will be
So here we have to write
8 characters.
script language. Sorry, students. We have to give what?
Now, to
Script
change the width of a column, we have to follow some steps.
language.
So what are the steps?
Okay, script language equal to JavaScript.
We want to check. So how many columns are here? Can you tell me?
JavaScript.
How many
And
columns
we
are
have to
here?
end with
How many columns
script
are
as well.
in this step? 7 columns. Good. And how
Okay,
many rows?
so we have to end with script.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's check. Press the display button. This is my first program. It is coming now, students.
Yes.
So just check. I am sending to you.